In this video, I will show you how to create a quote on Jabber. First, you have to go to the quotes, which is on the left side of the menu, and then just click on that. And now that you're inside, you will have to click new quote and then create new quote and just wait for it to load. Now, you have to select an existing client or create a new one, which is on the bottom. Click this select client button and then click the existing client that you have, or if you don't have one, just create a new one. And now that you're done selecting your client, you have to enter their name and their contact info. And now you can add your services by clicking add line item, which is right here. You just gotta click it and then include descriptions, prices, and any discounts. You scroll down to add your notes, terms, or expirations. And once everything is ready, you can click save draft to come back later or send quote to send it immediately. And you can choose email or text, then you can just hit send. And after that, clients can approve or request changes directly from the quote. And that's how to create and send a quote in Jabber. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful.